Namaste friends, I am Loukya.
Can you guess where we're traveling today? Let's find out together. Are you ready? Hold on tight. Let's go! Wow, I have landed on the moon. Earth looks so tiny. Someone was here before me. Hello there. Who are you?
Hello, young explorer. I am astronaut Neil.
Woohoo! Why did I jump so high? Because the moon's gravity is
Much weaker than Earth's.
gravity. Let's try a little moon experiment.
Will the rock fall first?
Let's find out.
They fell together because the moon has almost no air.
Wow, what is this amazing spaceship?
This is Eagle, our lunar module. It may look small, but it helped us make one of humanity's greatest journeys.
From here, there are no borders, only one beautiful home.
Everyone I love is on that little blue planet. I'll never forget my trip to the moon.
Safe travels, young explorer.
That was awesome! See you on the next adventure.